Hey, good morning, Bob, Trade Genius. It's been a while since I did a video. Phil's been pounding away on the crypto side. Just been extremely busy here with the business, and we've a lot of new clients, a lot of training, and just a lot of really good things happening here in Trade Genius land. And with this lockdown, there's a lot of people very interested in trading. So we've been spending a lot of time getting people up to speed and get some good practices. But I wanted to definitely tell the world, we had this opportunity with the tankers earlier this year, and a lot of folks were thinking, hey, the tankers are gonna rocket higher, and they're not wrong. Okay, so this situation that we have here is that we had um, incredible series of moves here in March that we did quite well on, and then I actually stayed in DHT because of the macro outlook on it. But what was interesting to me was, and it was unexpected to me too, so I'm underwater on the trade for the moment. I just stayed in it, okay, and my break-even price now, because I did a couple small ads, is that I'm in the mid sixes on my break-even, and that includes the 35 cents we're going to get Tuesday for the dividend they just paid out. Now everybody's saying, oh, DHT's dead, the tankers are dead, blah blah blah. They did an unprecedented move in oil, and there's a pair trade out there that as oil goes higher in price, that the tankers are going to be less attractive. And I think the oil move has played itself out. Obviously it was an incredible short covering rally in the oil sector. That's playing itself out. The macro view has not changed whatsoever. The world still has too much oil, and as prices go higher, everybody's tempted to produce even more oil. So here's the fib look at DHT, okay, and if all we knew was this, we're like, okay, so it came down and it basically retraced, almost a little bit more than 75% of its up move here in March going into earnings, and it looks like maybe a little bit of a hammer here. We'll see if we don't get a false hammer, but the dividend now is being paid out, and lo and behold, this weekend we get this note. Okay, where am I at here on this thing? Right here. Okay, this is the cost for DHT to run a tanker every day for the rest of 2020, $2,600. The time charter rates are going out north of 10,500. This thing is going to be a cash flow machine. And so if you're not in DHT already, I think its risk reward is in your favor. And we've been trading successfully TMP. We've had two nice day trades on it, and I'm in it again. That we got in on Friday back at 260. But we've been trading. We don't trade on the daily. We trade on the hourly here. And so we've been trading some of these moves. I love this hammer, okay, and now it's forming a nice little opportunity here. You get above 290. Look at this shoulder head. If it hits 292 shoulder, here's a 144 on the hourly. It breaks through that. Then we're looking for a measured move here that takes you from. You're looking at 63 cents from here, okay, and then from here, you're looking at 63 plus 30. You're looking at probably a 90-cent move here. So I'm looking at an opportunity for it to just pop right back up to the 360 area. So I kept some guys just day traded, took quick 20 cents on it. I stayed in with TMP. So TMP and DHT are back in the portfolios as long. And I just encourage people to take a look at it. And it's not just that. TNK had a really nice write-up as well on Friday, and I think that's rounding the bottom too. And they're getting staged now. You can see the run up into the next earnings report. They closed off a lot of debt on this last run. Guys are doing different things with their cash flow. Some are dividending it out, and some are paying down debt. But they're in command of pricing. And in this day and age, how many industries are in command of pricing? None. So I think you're going to get a lot of people attracted to what's going on in the tanker space. And it's not just that one too. Here's EURN. Okay, so this is, look, it's holding off really hard here. Okay, this is putting in some pretty good support in here. And again, you could just day trade these pops, if you wanted to. But if you're a little bit longer term, we had a nice run on EURN before the last earnings, and so we're just looking for an opportunity to get back in again. This has also a low cost too, so it has more leverage to free cash flow as well. But it's not the only one. Here's DSX too. This is starting to come up on hitting some signals as well. So just wanted to give you guys a little perspective on the tankers. I think you'll like it, and I think you'll make money on it. And if you weren't in it yet, you don't have any grief that you're holding off to. But we're not that far underneath a stock that can move very, very aggressively, very quickly. So there you have it. Have a good one, and I'll catch you guys later this week. Bye.